Hi everyone. So in today's video we'll talk about Sun in the first house and what kind of predictions we can make just from that combination. So Sun in the first house, as we know, Sun is the Karaka of the health. So these people are very interested in their health. If Sun is strong, they'll usually avoid any major health issues during their life. Even if Sun is weak, they are very much interested in improving their health. So they figure out what to do and they take proactive action in getting those issues resolved. And then Sun is also a Pitta Prakriti planet. So Pitta is associated with the fire element. So they will have very passionate nature, very aggressive. They can be. They can get very angry, and they can have Pitta related issues, too much heat or low heat, depending on the chart. So that's another combination. Also, when Sun is in the first house, so first house is related to this area. So there's too much heat in this area. So then it starts affecting the eyes. So they can have eye related issues if heat gets too much or too low. So that's another thing they need to be careful about. And then Sun is a very intelligent planet, so naturally they're very intelligent, and if Sun is very strong, then they're really geniuses in their field. And Sun is also a royal planet, right? It's called the king. So they are very well behaved and noble with others. So they will be very respectful and very generous in their dealings. So all these good qualities shows forth in their behavior. Another interesting thing that is happening is Sun is aspecting the seventh house from the first house. So seventh house is related to stomach. So they have good digestive power because that heat of the Sun is going to the seventh house. And Sun is also in the Kalapurush Kundali. Sun is the natural fifth lord of Leo, right? So Sun is also a Karaka of children. So here, when Sun is in the first house, the Sun becomes ninth from the fifth. So a rough planet being in ninth from the fifth